Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanemkar from Akluz, and today date is 5th January 2022, and today our topic is the garbage collection. The garbage collection is the unused and useless things, and these useless things is stored in specific area, and these are the remove this area. This process is called as the garbage collection. The garbage collection is also used in old language like C, C++, and other any language. The garbage collection is used in C language. The C language is to create object by using new keyword, and the delete unused and useless object to free function. The free function is a work to all unused data are removed in this program. And then C++. C++ is also used in garbage collection. To C++ is creating new variable as like to C language. It is creating a new object to use it in new keyword, and delete the unused and useless object to using delete keyword. The garbage collection is used in Java. If the unwanted object is present in Java, this called as the garbage collection. In garbage collection is user not create that creating function, that creating program. It is a creating automatically, and it is to create and done with runtime application. Then the garbage collection is the memory. The garbage collection is the memory efficient, because the garbage collection is to remove all useless object from the heap memory, and that is the performance is very high of the heap memory. And then automatically done. The automatically done is the garbage collection is the part of the Java virtual machine, and which is creating multi-threading. That is the speed of garbage collection is very high. That is not need to any referred application from the garbage collection. Then referred. The garbage collection is the referred in three types. First one is the null referred. Second one is the assign the reference to another reference, and third one is the anonymous reference. We see first is the null reference. Null reference is this reference is to assign the address of the another null reference. For example, the for example, employee creating the reference to the assign the new another null reference. For example, employee, and then object of the employee, then is equal to new, then employee. Hence E is equal to E1, and E1 is equal to empty. This process are the null reference object. Then assign the reference of the another reference. The first assign the reference of the another reference is to first reference to assign the value of the address of the another reference. And for example, to give the employee E1 is equal to new employee. Then employee 2 E2 is equal to new employee 2. Here E2 is equal to E1 here. Then E1 is assigned the value of E2, and then E1 is to go through the garbage collection. Then anonyms is the to directly assign the address of the null variable. then int e1 is equal to num. Here e1 is equal to num is the anonyms. And then the method. There are two types of the method. First one is the finalize. Finalize is mostly used in to before the garbage collection. It's used to cleaning the all process of the data in the garbage collection. And second one is the GC method. GC method is the to found in after the garbage collection. It is used to define and cleaning the process of the garbage collection, and it is defined to class of the garbage collection. This information of the garbage collection. Thank you.